Whether your store has been out of stock of your household essentials or you're just looking for a new DIY project at home, making your own laundry detergent is pretty easy and cost efficient. So today I'm going to walk you through how to make your own liquid laundry detergent. So I did a lot of research on this topic, partly out of my own interest in making some of my household essentials at home, and there's a lot of conflicting information out there on different websites and different blogs and different recipes specifically for laundry detergent. So the one I decided on for this video, it kind of checks all the right boxes for me. It's a liquid and not a powder detergent, it is non-toxic, and it is less harmful to the environment. The recipe/blog that I used for this video is linked below in the description box. Keep in mind that this detergent isn't really fragranced, which is great for people like me who has sensitive skin, but if you are looking for a detergent that has a specific fragrance or smell, like lavender, you can check out other DIY detergents that use scented castile soap or added essential oils. To make this liquid detergent, you only need 3 ingredients: Arm & Hammer super washing soda, Dr. Bronner's suds, and boiled water. Alright, let's get started. First, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Pour 2/3 cup of the super washing soda into a glass or stainless steel bowl. And I say that specifically because the sodium carbonate in the washing soda can damage aluminum. Next, slowly stir in 2 cups of boiling water until the washing soda is completely dissolved. Otherwise, you're going to get a gritty detergent. Then stir in half a cup of Sal's suds to the mixture until well combined. Then slowly stir in the remaining 2 cups of boiling water. Let the mixture cool to room temperature, and that's it. As far as storing your detergent, you can keep it in a glass container like the one I'm using. Keep in mind the liquid detergent may separate naturally over time, but you can just stir it or shake it before using. And as far as using it in your washer, just measure out 1/4 a cup per load. Alright, so I did a couple of loads of laundry just to test out the detergent, and I will say I am pretty impressed with how effective it was for only using 3 ingredients. So if you are looking for a really simple and cost-efficient way to make detergent at home, I think this would probably be your best bet. And that's all I've got, so if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Do It All.